If you require precision when preparing your morning brew, then perhaps an electric gooseneck kettle is the right purchase for you. Adam's here, and he's going to tell us more about these great kettles. They are something else.
Not until you tell me another rhyme. I love that, Bridget.
All right.
You know, I am a pour-over guy. I love pour-over coffee in the morning. It's my moment of zen. But in order to moisten the coffee grounds a little bit before you douse them with the water, which is what you should do to make it taste its very best, you need a gooseneck kettle, which is what we have before us. And I am going to demonstrate. It's got this long, narrow spout that pours really gently and really slowly with a ton of precision, so you can moisten every last granule of coffee.
Precision and patience.
Precision and patience. So we tested 8 different gooseneck kettles. They're all electric. The 4 in front of me are just boil only. The 4 in front of you have adjustable temperature because sometimes you want to brew different teas at different temperatures. Coffee, you don't want to do it a full boil. It should be between $195, $205. The prices that we paid range from $39 to $150.
Okay.
Testers boiled full kettles of water, 3 cups of water, and timed it. They checked the temperature accuracy. They also assessed the handles and the spouts and all kinds of stuff. They did find actually that the boil-only kettles were a little slower to bring things to the boil. The slowest one took just about 5.5 minutes for a full kettle, whereas the fastest of the adjustable temperatures took less than 3 minutes.
Wow, okay.
In terms of temperature accuracy for the adjustables, they were all usually within 2 to 5 degrees under the set temperature, except for this one right here, which did better. It was either right at set temperature or just a degree below. There were a couple of design factors that made a difference to testers. Capacity and weight were 2 of them. The capacity ranged from 27 ounces up to 34 ounces. They like the bigger ones because you can boil more water.
Right.
They also liked them to be light, so they were easier to handle. The 2 favorites were about 1.5 pounds empty. The handle made a real difference, and this is a terrific one because it's nice and smooth and wide, and it's got that rubbery coating that's easy to grip.
It feels secure.
Feels secure. That's what you want. And last thing, the measurement marks made a real difference where they were located. If they were by the handle, they were a little hard to see when you're holding it under a faucet, filling it up. If they were opposite the handle, a lot easier to read. So there was a winner in each category. If you're me and you need the precision, you want to get the OXO Brew Adjustable Temperature Pour-Over Kettle for $100. Money well spent as far as I'm concerned. If you don't care about adjustability and just want boil only, the Bodum Bistro Electric Gooseneck Kettle is $60, and that should be your go-to.
But that takes a little bit longer to boil, right?
It does, a little bit longer.
And seconds count.
Time is money.
That's exactly right. So our top winner is the OXO Brew Adjustable Temperature Pour-Over Kettle, and it retails for $100. I'll be taking this home.
Not if I get it first.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.